What's up guys, Simon here with Tech Visibility, and today we're going to go ahead and review the Apple AirPods Pro. For now, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Visibility if you like what you're seeing. Also check out our website at techvisibility.com. We've reviewed lots and lots of products already from the technology side as well as tech news. We love your feedback. These are some of the best in-ear headphones that you could find, or earphones some people like to call them. Not only did Apple add active noise canceling to these, they basically also made sure that they're kind of dynamic. With the microphone that's in these earphones, Apple takes the sound from your surrounding environment and adjusts the noise canceling so that you're getting the best possible experience, which I find to be really neat. So I'm super excited to tell you guys why I decided to upgrade from the regular AirPods and what are the differences between these two in terms of sound quality, communication, performance and use, battery life, and so forth. Obviously, there's a pricing component difference. These with wireless charging are $199.99, while the AirPods Pro are $249.99 with a wireless charging capability as well. With these, obviously, you get the noise canceling aspect. You're also getting a much more powerful sound driver. As you could tell, you're getting a much bigger head on AirPod themselves. With the upgraded powerful bass driver that's located within the unit, you're basically getting a much beefier or amplified bass sound. Music sounds better, drums sound better, a much better seal around the ear. I feel like it's a much bigger upgrade to the original AirPods that they have. And putting these in, you're also able to see that they're a lot smaller. And these are a lot longer. The microphone on these are at the bottom, which is the original AirPods, and the microphone on these is positioned in a way where it goes down towards your mouth, kind of slanted. The big difference between the AirPods and the AirPods Pro is how you control the sound and skipping forward and backward. So with the original AirPods, you basically have the double tap method. When they're in your ear, double tapping, you skip a song, triple tapping, reverse, single tap is pause, hang up, or accept a phone call. With the new AirPod Pros, single squeeze, you're gonna pause it. If you double squeeze, you'll skip to the next song, and then triple squeeze is a skip backwards. If you hold squeeze, you're gonna get into noise canceling on or off. That's an excellent way to regulate your music or anything that you're listening to, as well as giving you a better touch feel. The AirPods Pro are the only in-ear headphones that have adaptive noise canceling control. With the microphone located at the bottom, they basically collect sound, adjust the AirPod itself to make sure that you're getting the optimum noise canceling around you. Obviously, we've done the unboxing of these already, but if we take a closer look, these also come with different size sealing connectors for the AirPod themselves, and they just click right on. So right now what we have is the medium connector. They come with a smaller one for a smaller earlobe and then a larger size. You would simply just click these off and you would put the new one right on. Another neat feature of these AirPods is when you're first setting them up, you do so just like setting up the original AirPods where they connect to your iPhone automatically. By opening the case near the iPhone, you're going to get the AirPods pop up, and I have 92% battery life on my AirPod case and 99 on the AirPods themselves, which is pretty neat. Each 5-minute charge in this case gives you an hour of listening to music. When these are fully charged, you're getting up to 4.5 hours of listening music on one charge, which is pretty nice. The difference between these and originals is this sound menu. Not only can I adjust volume up and down, but if I hold it, it goes into transparency mode, which I have now. I could also do off, where it's not transparent, but what's happening is because of this rubber seal that you see around the AirPod itself, it's kind of muffling my sound. So once I've put the second AirPod in my ear, right now I'm in off, it's a complete muffled mess. I feel like I can't talk with these things in the off mode. Even in the noise canceling mode, it's still a little awkward to talk, but what it does, it takes that muffled sound all the way down. Here it's super muffled. In the off mode, In the transparency mode, it's excellent. I could talk. I feel like I could hear myself talk. It's almost podcast-like where you have headphones, and these two other modes, you're not going to have such a great communication experience. With the original AirPods, you do get that great communication experience, but you don't get that noise cancellation surround, and you're also getting limited bass on these if you're listening to something with heavier bass. These are a great start. These are definitely a big improvement. Comparing the AirPods in sizes, cases, and including comparing them to the Beats Pro wireless over the earbud. These are excellent for working out, but you cannot have a great communication or conversation with these. They pair the same way as the original AirPods as well as the AirPods Pro by holding the button on the back and then just click and connect. However, you are not getting any noise canceling with these. They still have the same rubber in-ear feel. And you can tell here the Beats Pro have also connected in a similar way. Opening these up, you can see how gigantic the case differences are, the difference between all of the sizes of the AirPods as well as the Beats Pro, with our original AirPods being in the middle. And that is a drastic difference. I mean, you're looking at something that is going to take up a lot of real estate in your pocket, which you don't want to happen. In terms of sound quality, the AirPod Pros actually compare to the PowerBeats Pro. You're getting a really good bass, very crisp treble. You're really feeling like the music has been amplified in comparison to the original AirPods. I really prefer the AirPod Pro sound over any of these three because I feel after using the original AirPods and then using the AirPod Pros, I cannot go back. Call quality is excellent. Zoom meetings or any type of meeting you take, these work really well. So I do recommend these for communication as well. I can't say the same for the PowerBeats Pro because once this rubber ring hits your ear, it sounds muffled like these do when you have the transparency or the active noise cancellation off. These AirPods also allow for audio sharing where you could share a song between two sets of these AirPods. You could also get these engraved on their website if you want to make them unique. There's a lot of these out there. You want to personalize them, you could do so without having to buy cases. They will engrave them for you as well. Okay guys, so let's go into basically which AirPods I love to use and when. The AirPods Pro have taken over the AirPods for me. I use these guys for over a year, maybe a few years now. I love them. I had no complaints about these AirPods, the original ones, aside from maybe the lack of noise canceling. With the AirPod Pros, you're getting a great in-ear headphone, but the noise canceling feature basically took it over the top for me. I would never go back to the AirPods. I don't use these as much anymore, and I don't regret spending more money on the AirPod Pros. In fact, these are my go-to in-ear headphones. They replaced even the Bose headphones that I've had that I used for noise canceling. Very happy with them. I think they're much better than the PowerBeats Pro gigantic case in-ear headphones. Although I still use these sometimes for working out, these are on the same level in terms of sound quality for me, and with the transparency function, I feel like they're more usable. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Simon here with Tech Visibility. Please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. These are honest reviews of products I have used over a course of time. Also check out our website at techvisibility.com. I'm super happy with the AirPod Pro purchase and I recommend them to you as well. If you have any questions, please ask them below. Please also comment below which of these two you use, or if there's another brand that you prefer. I will compare these to the Sony noise canceling in-ear headphones shortly. I liked using those as well, but having everything Apple, I tend to lean towards Apple products. These are my main in-ear headphones right now. So like this video, comment below, and I'll see you guys here next time. Thank you.